They're small, futuristic, and uniquely Japanese. Welcome to the world of capsule hotels, one of Japan's most fascinating accommodations. In this video, we explore what capsule hotels are, how they work, why they're worth trying, and what they say about modern Japanese life. Tiny, yes, but this is a big experience. In the bustling metropolis of Shinjuku, Tokyo, amidst the towering skyscrapers and neon lights, lies a hidden gem of tranquility and innovation, a capsule hotel. As you step inside, you're greeted by a soothing ambiance, where soft lighting bathes the space in a warm glow, and the gentle hum of technology creates an atmosphere of futuristic serenity. Rows upon rows of sleek, white cylindrical capsules stand like sentinels ready to offer their compact havens of comfort. The concept of capsule hotels may seem unconventional, but it was born out of necessity and has evolved into an iconic part of Japanese culture. Born in the Showa period following World War II, these hotels were originally conceived as budget-friendly sanctuaries for overworked salarymen seeking respite from their demanding jobs. These early capsules, while simple, offered a much-needed retreat where weary travelers could catch a few hours of sleep before returning to their busy lives. Over the years, capsule hotels have evolved, incorporating the latest technology and design principles, while still retaining their commitment to affordability and efficiency. Today, they stand as a testament to Japan's ability to innovate and adapt, providing a glimpse into the country's unique blend of tradition and modernity. So what exactly is a capsule hotel? Well, it's quite simple. At its core, a capsule hotel is a type of accommodation that features compact sleeping pods instead of traditional hotel rooms. Each capsule is typically around 1 meter high, 1 meter wide, and 2 meters long, just enough space for one person to lie down comfortably. Despite their size, the capsules are fully equipped with everything you need for a comfortable stay, including privacy curtains, climate control, lighting, and even a TV in some cases. One of the standout features of capsule hotels is the level of privacy they offer. Despite being stacked in close proximity to one another, each capsule acts as its own little sanctuary, allowing guests to relax and recharge without feeling exposed. In fact, the sense of seclusion is so effective that many people find it easier to fall asleep in a capsule than in a traditional hotel room. Now, you might be wondering who actually stays in capsule hotels, and the answer might surprise you. While they were originally designed for budget-conscious travelers, capsule hotels have become popular among all kinds of guests, from solo adventurers to digital nomads, students, and curious first. In fact, it's not uncommon to find a diverse mix of Japanese business people, domestic travelers, foreign tourists, and anyone looking for a unique lodging experience within the walls of a capsule hotel. Imagine stepping into a shared lounge area after a long day of exploring. The soft glow of the overhead lights dances on the sleek, minimalist furniture while hushed conversations fill the air. You settle into a plush armchair and reach for a cup of tea from the communal station, savoring the warmth as it spreads through your hands. The gentle murmur of other guests fades into the background as you pick up a copy of the latest manga, immersing yourself in the captivating storyline. As the evening progresses, you witness a silent camaraderie among the guests, a shared sense of adventure and openness that transcends language barriers. Some exchange tips and recommendations, while others simply bask in the peaceful ambiance, finding solace in the quiet hum of the capsule hotel. Another appealing aspect of capsule hotels is their affordability. Typically costing between 2,000 and 5,000 yen per night, they offer a budget-friendly alternative to traditional hotels, hostels, or Airbnb. In major cities like Tokyo or Osaka, where accommodation can be pricey, capsule hotels provide a cost-effective solution without compromising on the aesthetic. For backpackers, digital nomads, or anyone traveling on a tight budget, capsule hotels are a game-changing find. But there's more to these compact retreats than just affordability and privacy. Many capsule hotels go beyond the basic concept, offering guests a range of additional services and amenities. For instance, some establishments feature onsen, saunas, or public showers, allowing guests to unwind and rejuvenate after a day of exploring. Others offer massage chairs, manga libraries, and co-working lounges, catering to the needs of both business travelers and leisure seekers. These added amenities transform the capsule hotel experience into a full-fledged retreat where guests can relax, recharge, and immerse themselves in the unique Japanese culture. And speaking of culture, capsule hotels offer a fascinating glimpse into the values and traditions of Japanese society. The emphasis on cleanliness, order, and consideration for others is evident in every aspect of these establishments, from the neatly organized capsules to the quiet hours enforced throughout the night. Guests are expected to respect these guidelines, ensuring a peaceful environment for everyone. In a country where silence is often seen as golden, capsule hotels embody the spirit of community and harmony that runs deep within Japanese culture. Have you ever wondered what a typical stay at a capsule hotel looks like? Let's break it down step by step. From the moment you arrive, you'll be greeted by the friendly staff who will guide you through the check-in process. Once you've settled in, they'll provide you with a locker for your luggage, a keycard or a wristband for access, and of course, your capsule assignment. Usually stacked in 2 levels, you'll find your assigned capsule and settle in for a night of cozy relaxation. Throughout your stay, you'll be provided with loungewear and slippers to ensure maximum comfort and hygiene. Feel free to make yourself at home by adjusting the climate control, turning on the soft lighting, and catching up on your favorite shows or browsing the internet on your device. And if you're lucky, you might even have a view of the city skyline or the tranquil streets below. After a night of restful sleep, you'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Take advantage of the shared facilities like the onsen sauna or showers to rejuvenate your body and mind. It's not just about the capsule itself, though. Staying at a capsule hotel means embracing the unique experience it offers. So why should you consider staying in a capsule hotel on your next trip? Here are a few reasons. Firstly, it's an opportunity to experience something truly unique. Capsule hotels are a distinctive feature of Japanese culture, and staying in one provides a memorable and offbeat experience that you won't find anywhere else. Secondly, it's a chance to immerse yourself in Japanese values and traditions. Capsule hotels reflect the Japanese emphasis on cleanliness, orderliness, and consideration for others, giving you a glimpse into the local culture. Thirdly, it's an affordable option. As mentioned earlier, capsule hotels are budget-friendly compared to traditional hotels, making them an attractive choice for backpackers, digital nomads, or anyone traveling on a tight budget. By choosing a capsule hotel, you can save money without sacrificing on the essentials, such as privacy and comfort. Additionally, capsule hotels are often located in convenient areas near transportation hubs, making them easily accessible and a great base for exploring a new city. Their proximity to public transportation allows you to hop on trains or buses and venture out to discover the city's top attractions, restaurants, and hidden gems. Whether you're interested in immersing yourself in history, indulging in culinary delights, or simply soaking up the vibrant atmosphere, a capsule hotel's strategic location ensures that you're always within reach of unforgettable experiences. By the way, did you know that Japan has a unique system called the Click here to learn more about this efficient bullet train network that connects major cities and offers breathtaking views along the way. Now, you might be thinking, how do I know what to pack for my trip? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Check out our packing guide by clicking here, and remember to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our travel tips and destination guides. While capsule hotels are a fantastic concept, they might not be for everyone. Some people might feel claustrophobic in the tight spaces or prefer the privacy of a standalone room. However, for those who appreciate minimalism and value affordability, capsule hotels offer a unique experience that's worth giving a try. So, if you're in Japan or planning to visit anytime soon, consider booking a night at a capsule hotel. You'll be in for a memorable stay. And if you're still unsure, don't worry. Capsule hotels are usually located in convenient areas near airports or train stations, allowing you to pop in for a quick nap or shower during a layover or missed train. It's a perfect way to refresh and recharge before continuing your journey. Overall, capsule hotels in Japan are more than just a place to sleep. They're a cultural experience. They're a testament to Japanese ingenuity and a reminder that sometimes the smallest spaces can offer the greatest comforts. What about you? Would you stay in a capsule hotel? Let us know in the comments section below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. That's all for today. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of capsule hotels in Japan. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your travel-loving friends. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on our exciting adventures.